you this morning. Take you on a tour of the site.
So excited to have you here. You're actually the first of the students to be on our construction site.
They now get an opportunity to come see live and direct the different disciplines of engineering and to make a decision which area suits them best or which area they are more comfortable to navigate. And the whole idea also is to allow these young men at this tender age about to matriculate into the world, whether it is a working world or further education, to let them understand there are options, there are good options.
When you lay the blocks, you don't kiss it like that. Why? Because there's no marker. One of the things you have to worry about or figure out is how much cement you're going to use, to how much water you're going to use, to how much aggregate you're going to use. Because that is what determines the strength of the block. So here it is. We have the inner facing of the plant. So you'd have seen CMU, this is block and steel, right? It's the reinforced concrete in terms of column and beams. And here it is now, you have reinforced concrete walls, right? You have buildings that are predominantly designed, not using the post and beam setup, but reinforced concrete walls. This is one of them, meaning this is the methodology that they use in terms of the reinforced concrete walls. And the rod is straight. When you run the concrete, everything will be on the same.
This structure is a mixture of elements. Reinforced concrete on the basement, making up all the basement, which is subterranean. What that means is that subterranean, that means they excavated from the level of the soil to put the basement down there. And what is going to happen afterward? They're going to be back.
Your preparation to become an engineer is right ahead. And a matter of fact, to get the opportunity to be in a place like this, to see a massive construction like this happening, to me that is significant motivation.
And that's how you build. That's the whole idea of building, self-interest. You have to have the mental fortitude, the will to want to get things done. And I applaud you, I applaud your teachers. They have spent a full day with us almost, in the sun, up and down the building.
In my rural community, we did not have electricity when we were growing up. And I actually wired my house using batteries and bulbs. Every room was lit in my house. So actually, I became an engineer before I even knew I was an engineer. So that's where I think you guys have to start. You have to believe in yourself and you have to decide what you want to become.
It showed us the difference between what we see in our normal day communities and construction sites, showing us a broader view of what Jamaica is capable of in their construction area.
I feel elated to know that my school is the first to be here. I feel special.
Seeing all these machines and how they work, it really inspired me to continue my journey. Knowing that I have a disability and all, I will not really let that stop me.
I noticed these students are properly attired. You don't see anyone with their pants falling below their waist, or, they were well-spoken, very disciplined. A bunch of young, bright-looking individuals. I'm happy that we can use this opportunity to start to reinforce in our young people morals, values, and standards that they can be guided by so that Jamaica can be a better place.